MacBook trackpads are some of the best around, but it's hard to beat the precision and comfort of a mouse. Mice provide greater control, improving productivity, and much more comfort over long sessions. Though Mac users often run to Apple's products first, in this case, the Magic Mouse, we think it is important for you to know there are lots of other options out there. And many of them offer more functionality. Do you want something with multiple buttons that you can program? A gaming mouse with superior customization options? The best mouse for Mac comes in all shapes and sizes, and we want to help you find yours. Number 1. Logitech MX Master 3S. We're typically fans of Logitech accessories in general, and the Logitech MX Master 3S was the best ergonomic mouse we've tried, earning it a spot here. It features a comfortable hybrid design, flexibility, multitude of productivity-enhancing features, and it lasts up to 70 hours per charge. When it does run low, 1 minute of charging will get you 3 hours of use. Our favorite physical design features were the MX Master 3S dedicated thumb wheel and controls above the thumb rest, which offer superior flexibility while demanding little hand movement. This mouse may look intimidating at first, but it felt immediately natural in the hand during our tests. As a bonus, its buttons were extremely quiet, so much so that we can recommend this mouse for office use. Its scroll wheel moves along with satisfying, incremental clicks. Initially, we didn't know what to make of the thumb wheel but found it helpful while working in image editing applications, which is when horizontal scrolling was most helpful. Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign users will find this feature indispensable. Number 2. Logitech MX Anywhere 3S. The MX Anywhere 3's compact design and powerful features make it the perfect portable option. Logitech's MX Anywhere 3 features a compact design that doesn't feel like a compromise. The conventional 6-button mouse is small enough to fit in a shirt pocket but large enough to provide some support for your hand. Like the MX Master 3S, it offers many Logitech MX-level features, including the ability to connect with up to 3 devices over Bluetooth and a USB dongle, plus a sensor that can track on glass. If you're hitting the road this summer, the MX Anywhere 3 is the mouse you want for your Mac. Number 3. Logitech Lift. The Logitech Lift vertical mouse prioritizes comfort and ergonomics without sacrificing features. The Logitech Lift is a vertical ergonomic mouse that allows you to control your cursor without twisting your wrist to lay your hand over it. This reduces wrist strain by having your hand posture in a more natural position, reducing pain induced by repetitive strain injuries. It isn't quite as feature-rich as the MX Vertical, but the Lift is a good starting point and offers up to 2 years of battery life off a single AA battery, or consider a rechargeable one. The Lift is also one of the few mice available in left and right orientations, making it accessible to everyone. Lift's vertical shape helps wrists feel like at work, and promotes a more natural posture in the forearm, for day-long comfort and productivity. Settle into work with a cordless mouse featuring easy-to-reach customizable buttons, whisper quiet clicks and a smart wheel for smooth, seamless scrolling. Number 4. SteelSeries Prime Wireless. Featuring a durable design, great battery life, and support for multiple grip styles, the SteelSeries Prime Wireless is a great gaming mouse for Mac. If you plan to play competitive games on your iMac or MacBook Pro, the SteelSeries Prime Wireless will provide you with the precision and accuracy necessary to defeat your opponents. This gaming mouse was designed in collaboration with 100 esports pros, featuring 18,000 dpi and a lag-free experience that promises up to 100 hours of battery life on a full charge. The SteelSeries Prime Wireless has also been designed to accommodate both standard palm grips and gaming-focused claw and tip grip styles and features mouse switches rated to work for up to 100 million clicks. And when you're not gaming with the Prime, you can customize the device's buttons to fit with your workflow. Specialized engineered shaped the Prime for right-handed pro players, working with multiple grip styles, like finger, palm, and claw for ultimate comfort and feel-good performance. Number 5. Logitech M100. Logitech's M100 offers a simple, straightforward experience at an affordable price. For a simple plug-and-go experience, the Logitech M100 offers a great design at an affordable price. It doesn't feature the extra buttons of our other picks and can't be customized, but it provides users with a familiar experience that's precise, fast, and accurate. It's also ambidextrous, so it will feel comfortable whether you're a left-handed or right-handed user. The only problem you might run into is that the M100 connects via USB-A port, which many newer MacBook Pro and MacBook Air laptops don't have, and check out our thoughts on the latest MacBook Air, the M2. In that case, You might want to consider purchasing a USB hub to get connected.